Still stuck with scooping your litter box? Smelly, hard-to-clean corners? Messes everywhere? It's time for an upgrade. Meet PuroBot Crystal Duo. Open top. No size limit. Seriously, any cat fits. Easy in, easy out. Dual waste traps and powerful rakes team up to handle it all. Cleaning that never misses a corner. And the best part? An AI camera. Check in and check up live with your cat anytime. Oh, wasn't really expecting that shot. Your own personal vet checks. pH urinary health alerts, meows, soft stools. And it refreshes in 3 seconds. Bye-bye chores. Hello, PuroBot.